guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So in today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing sinking funds as well as my business bills. My name is Jeanette and the reason why I'm cash stuffing is to save for 6 months of expenses. Hopefully you guys liked yesterday's video where I cash stuffed my wallet, and tomorrow's video will be our 6 months of expenses as well as our debt cash stuffing. So Monday through Friday, I'm trying my best to bring you guys a video. Usually Monday will be any kind of video. Tuesday will be sinking funds as well as business bills. Wednesday will be the 6 months of expenses as well as the debt. And then Friday, which is the best day of the week because we get to stuff our savings challenges. So that's the rhythm I'm trying to keep it. Now, I don't know if I want to switch the Monday video to Sunday videos. Let me know in the comments below, would you guys prefer Sunday or would you guys prefer Monday? So that's usually going to be like a step-by-step on anything cash stuffing and zero-based budgeting related. So I feel like the next video I want to do either Sunday or Monday is to show you guys like a budget breakdown on how to break down your checks for zero-based budgeting. So that's probably going to be the next video, step-by-step, show you guys like an example budget that somebody has as far as what they get paid and stuff like that. So that will be on Sunday or next Monday. So let's see what happens. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. So we are going to do, again, sinking funds as well as the business bills. So I have my budget planning here. I already wrote everything down. So I usually keep this for reference to see how much I will be cash stuffing. And if you see on this page right here, usually I try to go by the color scheme. So fixed expenses in debt is usually my 6 months of expenses as well as my debt. And I try to keep that in orange. Sinking funds is usually going to be in blue. And then in pink, we have my wallet, which is our variable expenses. So that's that's how I try to keep up with it. Okay, so we're going to be filling all this out, like as far as calendar, monthly budget, like how to break everything down to zero on Sunday or Monday's video. So we are cash stuffing weekly expenses, and it's going to be our sinking funds as well as business bills. So this is everything right here written down. So it's a total of $70. So I'm just going to prop this right here. And let's get to stuffing. Okay, so this is my binder here for sinking funds. And the first category is going to be back to school. So back to school is going to get a total of $10. And so far in here, we have a total of $10. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Now we have $20 in here. Let me just roll this to the back and try to push this. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me just push this right here. Okay, so it can be a little more comfortable. Okay, so $20 in here. All right, kids is going to get a total of $10. And we have in here a total of $10. So now we have 5, 10, 15, $20 in kids. Okay, holiday is going to get $20. And we have a total in here of, let me just add the 20. So we have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 200. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's going to be $211. So I'm going to put a 200 placeholder in the next video. But for now, I'll just keep it like that. So as you see, the money grows slowly if you put in every week into every category. So birthdays is going to get $10. And for birthdays, we have a total of $10 in here. So now we have 10, 20. Okay, so as far as my business bills, Shopify is going to get a total of $10. And I'm still not due to pay my Shopify, so it's usually $39, $40, rounded up. So $5, $10, $15, $20 in Shopify. Okay. And then as far as the taxes, this is saving already for 2025. I already took out everything from my envelope for 2024. So we have a total of $10, and we're going to add $10 to this. So we have a total of 5, 10, 15, 20. So taxes so far has $20. Okay, guys, so that's it for my sinking funds as well as my business bills. Now, as far as my business bills, I think I'm going to add one more folder to this, and it's going to be my P.O. box. But that comes out every 6 months. So I think I'm going to add that in there, and probably another folder like as far as supply and stuff, because orders are going up there, and I'm super excited about that. I want to say thank you to you guys for ordering products from my website, and hopefully it helps you on your journey of saving for 2025. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Tell a friend about this video, like and subscribe the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.